guys, it's me, and I just wanted to show you some new things I got at the mall today, and like commercials and stuff like that, and other stores too. But yeah, okay. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is like the little things, and then like the other big things. Okay, so first is this lip gloss. It's Beauty Rush Victoria's Secret lip gloss. See? Yeah. So yeah, that's the first thing. The second thing is this headband. It's like pink. It's like this. It has like a little bow, and it's really pretty. Yeah. Now I'm gonna show you the clothes, and I'm gonna show you my Halloween costume in another video. But yeah. Okay. Some mushrooms. Yeah. So first, I got this really. It's this cute shirt.
And just so you know, I am a dog person, but that's not a dog. That is evil with a dog face that is humping my leg and peeing on your carpet.
Yeah, it's so pretty. And it's like supposed to have these really short sleeves. And yeah, it's so pretty. I love it. The next thing I got is this. This cute sweater. I mean, dress kind of knit thing. Yeah. Hold up, guys. Sorry. Just gotta lay it up so you can see it very good. And it has these little designs on it. And some pockets. Yeah, so that's that. That's all the stuff I bought at the stores today. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.